This video is going to show you how to find the vertex of a quadratic equation. So we know that our quadratics are in the shape of a parabola, and the middle point is what we call a vertex. So you can have a minimum, which is what I just showed you, or you could have a maximum. So if you have a maximum, then that means that you have a highest point. So these are two things that are common words for vertex. If you're asked to find the maximum or highest point, and also the minimum or the lowest point, then you know you're talking about a vertex. So for example, let's find the vertex together. First, you have to find your axis of symmetry. The reason why you find your axis of symmetry is because if you have a parabola, then the axis of symmetry goes straight down the line of where your vertex is. So your line of symmetry has the same x value. So how we do that is x is equal to the opposite of b divided by 2a. So first, let's check and make sure it's in standard form. It is. So our a is 2 and our b is -8. So the opposite of negative 8 will be positive 8, and we're dividing it by 2 times 2. That gives us 8 over 4, which is 2. So x is equal to 2. But for a vertex, your vertex is actually a point. So you have to plug it back into your function in order to find out what the y value is. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in our x value, which is 2, into our function. So that's going to give us 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 1. Notice I'm using parentheses when I plug in. So you would get 2 times 4, because 2 squared is 4, minus 16 plus 1, which is 8 minus 16 plus 1, which is -7. So this is our y value, and this is our x value. So when we put it all together, our vertex is going to be 2, -7.